Good morning, George. It's Barbara from Epic Auto. It is 10:39 a.m. Thank you for speaking with me over the phone yesterday and allowing me to be of service. I know you said you were going to be ready to purchase another vehicle soon, so I wanted to go ahead and send you this personalized email to let you know I do value the opportunity to be of service and for you to recognize the face that you'll be speaking with. I can be reached at 281-955-6555 or 832-727-5219. Don't forget to check our awesome deals and our new vehicles on epicautosalestx.com. That way you have a variety of vehicles to look at. And here are a few testimonials from our customers.
I'm so glad that I came to Epic Auto. I'd gone to quite a few other places and just wasn't satisfied.
I just needed a new car, and then I came down here to the Epic Auto Sales, and dude, I got my Mercedes. Best decision I ever made.
If there's a problem with your car, they will take care of it fast. Please come in, check them out, and buy a car like I did.
So they're awesome people. I suggest anybody that comes out, come to visit them, get a new car. You'll like it. I promise. Everybody's cool. You got to just chill out and relax. I'm ready to drive away in my car.